another video, another haul, of course. This time is from a different store, one of my other favorite stores that's local here in Michigan, and it's called Stamppeddlar Plus. It's located in Northville, Michigan at 145 North Center Street. Phone number 248-348-4446. Why am I doing that? Why am I getting a number? Because this place is dope-alicious. They have some cool stuff there. So maybe next time I go, well, I'll be going this weekend. I'm gonna see if I could like do a little video tour, because they got some cool stuff that I have not seen anywhere else, man. I mean, it's dope. You'll love it. So let me tell you what I did. I only went there to get one thing. One thing. We're gonna see what the one thing turned into. So we all know that Tim Holtz came out with the speckled egg. So I got the embossing glaze and I got the distress oxide. Only reason why I got it from them is because Scrappy Chic didn't have this. I think they had this, but every time they get it in, it's gone. It's like gone. So I was like, I'm going to Stamppeddlar, because they made an announcement saying that they had it in stock. So I drove all the way to Northville to get it. So I got it. Yes. And that's the only, I was originally going for this and that's it. But you see, I ended up getting the glaze too, which is pretty from what I've seen thus far. Then I ended up getting this cute, I love ATC cards. When I first started out scrapbooking back in 2008, I started getting into these little, they used to have a lot online where you do swaps, and so I was joining a couple, and I really enjoyed it. So I said, well, I'm gonna get back into them, you know, instead of making like big things and trying out new products. Maybe I'll try new products out on these ATC cards. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I got this, and it's black. Yes. And I got this pen because, and I hope this is the one, we're gonna open it. I hope it's the one that Nikki.ca uses, and I'm gonna ask her because I can't remember. I always, you know, she done told me something. Y'all know sometimes I have like, I call them, some people call them brain farts. I call it I hit a smooth spot. And I do that quite often. If you don't know, I have lupus, and sometimes, you know, I have trouble remembering things, and then sometimes my brain just moves faster than I talk. I know it sounds crazy, but that's what's going on. Oh my god. Okay, so let's see how this pen works. Because you know, when I start painting and messing around with stuff, I want to be able to draw on top of it. Oh, it's smooth. Oh, it's smooth. I think I'll be able to. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, and don't talk about my fingers. Let me tell you, it was, if you look at my previous videos, I used to have nails, but this past year been rough. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get my nails to grow again. I guess stop biting them, right? Okay, so then I ended up getting this. Okay, so this is a good pen. What is this pen called? What is this pen called? Faber-Castell Pitt Artist Pen, and it's the 0.7. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to get some more now because it feels, ooh, so smooth. Anyway, so I got this for my books because I need to start stamping my books, not all that other stuff. I want to stamp and write them in, because you let people borrow your books, or you be somewhere, somebody take your book, you be like, what's up? Yes, people still take books if you leave it around somewhere. Oh, let's see. And Stamppeddlar had a sale on all her wood stamps because people are not using them anymore because they like to use, you know, what we like to use with the, what is the name of that doggone thing? It's not a Stamppeddlar. What is the name of it? I hate that I can't remember. Oh well. So anyway, but you can use a Stamppeddlar with this. So anyway, I took advantage of getting me some stamps, and if they have some more this weekend and she still have them on sale, I'm going to get some more. But this says, please come to our home for a celebration. Now let me tell you why I got this. Because I'm believing that the Lord is going to bless me with a home big enough for me and my mom, because I want to take care of her. I mean, we you know, like next door to each other, but you know, I want to get a nice home where she and I, you know, will be able to have our own craft room. Yes, I'm talking about a big house, but not like a big house, but you know, like a big house to where somebody else can be living in there and we don't know. Nah, I ain't talking about them houses. I'm talking about a nice home, you know. So anyway, I got this so that, what was that? Oh, so that, you know, I can invite people to our housewarming, or just house gathering, not a housewarming, house gathering. Anyway, cute. And for very special pairs. Now let me tell you why I got this. I have someone I know that's going to be first time parents, and I think they're having a boy. So I bought this to make her a card, which I'm probably going to make a bunch of cards for him because they are so cute and adorable, and I know this baby's going to be so blessed, oh my gosh, and so happy because just the family as a whole, they are just thebomb.com. So I got that for her, and I got this for her too. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. And now I got this for my mixed media. Now I have ideas, but we're gonna see how it go. But I had to get this stamp. I had to, because I'm like, wow, the ideas are endless. For example, I just noticed this. You know, we look at it, oh, we could put somebody right here and put wings. But don't it look like that could be somebody's boobs, and that could just be part of the outfit? You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Yep, okay. And it's not perverted. I'm just stating facts. Creativity, man. Okay, let's see. What else? Now, you probably looking at this like, what is that? What is this? Well, as you can see, I didn't see anything like that, but I was like, this don't make no sense to me. I'm not getting it. And then the lady came over. She's like, no, this is what you do. So say, for example, you know how you cut out your cards for your A2 cards and you have that one square. So what it is, I hate that I don't have my tweezers or my X-Acto knife here. So we're going to use this since it's out already. They're individual strips. Okay, hold up. Okay, see? They're individual strips. Oops, sorry. See? And you can use this to outline your card. Isn't that neat? So all these are strips, and you can take it and just outline the card, the square or rectangle or whatever. I think that's pretty neat. So I saw some cards she did, and they were beautiful. So, oops, let me put this back in here before I just get lost. I'm always misplacing some that never fails. So we got that. Then, okay, so remember I only went in there for one thing. So I went, was walking around the store, and I noticed that This was the only one they had left, and it's called, you know, the Mica color sparkler thing, whatever. Water paint. And I want to get back into, you know, water painting and all that. So I'm like, oh, these are pretty. I mean, I don't know if you can, okay, if you can see the mica in it. I guess I could take this off, right? That would make more sense. Let's see, I don't even know how to, okay. How do you, oh, I don't want to jack nothing up. Really? Oh, I see. But dang, what happened if I want to put it back in here? Okay. Alright, here we go. Okay. So, hopefully you can see that shimmer. Anyway, so I saw this and I was like, oh, I want to get it. So they, you know, the people that was at the store was raving about it. Then they said that she had something that was even nicer than this, but they haven't received anything from her. So I'm like, well, you know, what's going on? And with, you know, the pandemic and it's just, you know, things changing in the industry, some, you know, businesses are not doing well. And I don't understand why, because we all know that the crafting industry, especially scrapping or whatever, you know, it's over $1 billion industry. There's absolutely no reason why anybody should be not doing well. So I don't know who she is, but it's a Michigan-based company, U.S. Art something. I'm going to look her up, and I'm going to make sure that I put her information in the description below, because maybe somebody is into, you know, mica coloring and, you know, these pastels and all type of water thing. Check her out and see what, because I heard she got some great products. So unless another company gonna buy her, I don't know. But anyway, it's so important to support your local art stores and vendors, you know, because those that sell wonderful things, if they're gone, so are their products. I don't like that. You know what I mean? I understand people want to shop at, you know, the big places like Joann and Michael's and Hobby Lobby. I'm not even knocking that at all, because sometimes we do need, you know, sales on the, you know, essential, like, you know, tape and, you know, paper or whatever, you know, or those little special things. But don't forget about your art stores, your small art stores, your small businesses, because, you know, small business is what keeps the country going, believe it or not. And it's because we love crafting so much, we need to support the ones in our local area so they can stay alive and well. And especially when they have good products like this. Like, I don't want Scrappy Chic to leave. I don't want Stamppeddlar to leave. I don't know who she is, but I don't want her to go either. So, and you know, in Amazon, I mean, don't get me wrong, Amazon good too, but you don't want to, Amazon is killing a lot of companies. And I'm not afraid to say that, you know, I mean, but I love Amazon, I ain't gonna, you know, but when it comes to some things, I'd rather just go to the actual store to help them out. And then, you know, if they don't have it and, you know, can't find it or whatever, then I'll go to Amazon. And Amazon won't mind, you know what I mean? They don't mind, because they like, look, we got ours. You know, you need us, we here. But you can't say that for a lot of small businesses if you keep going and not supporting them. That's just my little spiel. But anyway, these are cute, and that's what I got. I just got this embossing black powder because, just because. I have no reason at all. Well, if I need to find a reason, I don't think I have black embossing, but I don't want to say I don't, because I don't know what's all in my craft room, because my craft room needs to be cleaned. So yeah, that's what's going on with that. But I got it now. And okay, so check this out. Okay, so we saw, I got this paper because it reminded me of this, right? So I always make my friend who's a DJ, I always make him a card for his birthday. And I really want to make him a special card this year. So I got this, and oh, this paper is so pretty. I don't know what I ain't figured it out yet, but I know the card gonna be nice. But let me show you this paper. Let me just show you this paper. This paper cost me $3 freaking just for one sheet of paper. That's how you know he's something special. I've known him since 2nd grade, and he's been my best friend. And I can say that. But look, you see that shimmer? Oh, if you can only feel the texture. I don't even know if you can see it, but it's raised in the glitter. Oh, it's yummy. It's yummy. Look at that. It's yummy. Oh yeah, it's yummy. I love when I get some yummy products. So I'm going to use this to make him a card. I still need some other stuff. And I bought some stuff last year. I can't find it. But I'm sure I'll find it once I start moving stuff around this weekend. Oh, it's just terrible, man. It's like I keep buying stuff. Then I put it away. Then I can't find it. Oh, so sad. So sad. But anyway, this completes my haul for Stamppeddlar. And I want to thank you for stopping by, watching my videos, and I hope that you would like, comment, and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you know when I put something up. I'm going to try to do better. I'm going to try. No, not try. I'm a purpose in my heart to do better. Yes, I am. I am, because I have been laxy-daisy. Well, not laxy-daisy. Like I said, there's been so much going on. Oh my God, there's been so much going on. Okay, so I'm hitting the table like I'm about to really say something. Anyway, stay safe, stay blessed. May the Lord keep you, and I sincerely mean that. And until next time, see you in the next video. Bye. Deuces.